Hi, and welcome back to Kyro's workshop. You know, I really don't have a mascot for my channel, and I thought, why not making a mini-me? Well, that's what I'm going to do in this video. I had the idea for some time now, and I bought this Dexter Charming doll. I really wasn't going to record this repaint. As you can see, I got some tattoos. And I started my doll with those, because I knew they were going to be a nightmare. Then I thought, why don't you record it? So here we are. First, I'm going to contour his face. For that, I'm going to mix some red and green pastels to create a light brown. I'm going to contour heavily the eye socket. And I'm going to apply some blush on the cheeks with some red and pink pastels. I'm going to do this very lightly, so it doesn't look like makeup. I'm going to apply the blush on the cheeks, nose, and the forehead. I'm doing a very natural lips because, well, he's a man, so I'm going to take some red and pink pastels. As you may know, when you're a guy and you shave your face, you're going to have this green-gray kind of color on the beard. So I am going to try to achieve this. To make this color, I mixed some green and gray pastels. And there you go, now it looks like beard. And also, I blush his body. I'm going to mark the eyebrows with pastels first. I'm going to carve the eyebrows with an eraser. To give the body some realism, I'm going to add some body hair. I learned from my wolf guy to use a lighter color for the hair, so it doesn't look crazy and saturated. Now for the lips, I'm marking the division with brown. And add some pinks and white to create the creases. And after that, I'm going to start with the eyes. I pause the eyes for a moment to finish the brows. Using a darker brown, I'm going to make some messy hair strokes. And now let's continue with the eyes. Obviously, I'm going to use a photo reference to make everything right. I'm marking the pupil with black pencil. And some brown for the iris. Also, I'm going to start making some tiny hair strokes for the beard. Just like the body hair, I'm trying not to saturate too much. I filled this sclera with white, and I'm going to darken the iris. To finish the eyes, I'm going to add some highlight with brown acrylic paint. And of course, the shine of the eyes. I was going to use Dexter's clothes, but I really changed my mind at the end and I didn't record anything of the clothing process. Let's see the final look. I really enjoyed making this guy, and we really tried to improve the repaint from all the mistakes of my Wolfman. As I told you, this is not going to be 100% accurate, but I think he kinda looks like me. What do you think? Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to get notified. Hope to see you soon. Bye!